Hey guys, this is me. Anyways, don't mind the mess. We just moved in here. I'm moving things around because it's raining. The wife wanted a chicken brooder. I've never had a chicken except for on my plate. So now we have 6 chickens and 4 guinea fowl keep. She wanted a 3x6 brooder. Well, I made it 3x6 and she came down, well, it's too big. And I had to cut it down so it's all lopsided now. And I had this great idea to have this wall separation and all that. Well, she didn't want that. And I made it to where when she wants to introduce them, she can just pull this out and they can run and play with each other or whatever, eat each other, whatever they do. I'm going to make this so it hinges up, but my first shot at it, I've never done this before. And this is just shooting from the hip. So, wish me luck. Hi guys, this is Breon with the Heritage House. Next day, of course. Gonna go back over my brooder made out of scrap wood that I took apart some shelves here to make. I made the door, reinforced it, just had some 1x furring strips. Now I'm putting the 1/2-inch hardware cloth to keep the little chicks inside. The way it's gonna work is when the wife has to come and check everything, she'll just hinge it up, does her business. When she wants them to integrate, she can pull this out and then go back and forth. Or if we have too many of the same kind, they can do all that. But like I said, it was made out of scrap wood with no plans. Never did it before. So I guess it's good enough for now. Yeah, I'm using my pneumatic stapler because I can't find my other one in this mess. Turn down the PSI so I don't break the wire. I think that's good. One more piece. Ta-da, ta-da. It'll do. I missed. Hey guys, it's Breon with Heritage House. Just finishing up the brooder, the rookie brooder. Some mistakes, but good enough for little chickens. Seems like it's going to be sturdy enough to hold everything. Everything seems to work okay. Scrap wood. Bada bing, bada bang, how gun will travel. I mean, if you're looking for fanciness, you can trim it out so you don't see the edges of the garden cloth. This is a first time go, so that's how it is. See you later.